Okay, yazi aba bantu ne bakhekhelezayo emsebi benza kube toxic serious. Hey, amavila asebenzisa kakubi ezindlini zabelungu. Siqeshiwe amadoda. And bagcinezela i-hard workers for that matter. Now I'm one of i-hard workers. Kodwa ndike ndanelisho lodibana nabakhekhelezi. Ufumanisa ubumkekelezi that person ufree nje uhlenyuka uya nakabini etoilet uyochaya nakaninzi akayiva yena le pressure sinayo because that person is not missing any deadlines. Because that person barely has any deadlines. That person is not creating conflicts because that person avoids doing anything that could generate it. That person is not threatening any position. Okay, that person in Ivila is not threatening, remember, is not threatening anyone's position. I'm 17. You understand? Because that person is not ambitious enough to be a threat. Trust me. That person, okekelezayo, is not making mistakes. Akabhuda akenzi nix. Because akasebenzi. You understand? Because that person is not doing enough work to make mistakes. Thina siyabhuda uyaqhamazela utyiwa zii-deadlines ngapha nangapha because we hard work. The best performance zithwele ubunzima. Qinisekileyo there are complaints kuyakhalazwa emsebenzini about the workload. Siyaya siyoxela being uneven yabo. Ngokuqinisekileyo people grumble about fairness bayuhalo ungasebenziyo akutheni bengamqapheli oboss. Asithina siqatshelwa even thina hard workers, you understand, kodwa umsebenzi is still getting done. There are complaints about abantu abanantsikayo abakhekhelezayo manje emsebenzini abasicinezelayo thina abantu sizi high performers, hard workers yabo. The workload iba kucomplainwa ngento ezimalunga ne-workloads yabo, like being uneven. Ngokuqinisekileyo futhi people grumble about i-fairness yasemsebenzini yabo. Imanager igqithe uyicomplainele ubani ubheke etoilet oke beye 2 hours omnye umane eyochaya oko and then akho solution efikayo. You understand? Kodwa umsebenzi is still getting done. Uyagqibeka.
Okay. Ucinga mhlambi le way is affecta njani zona bosses? Do they notice yonke lento zona bosses, if I may ask?
No, bosses you notice at all. I think masithi zi-floor managers siyaya so complain njengoba bese nditshilo yabo. There are complaints about abantu abanjengabo abakhekhelezayo, but i-manager will promise you izayisa phezulu kuboss for i-behavior njengaleni. It's not tolerated abantu zi-horseplay, abantu abalazy, but akho solution egqitywayo ngalamuntu. You're not saying ubana ngabe umuntu makagxoshwe, but there have to be fairness. You understand? Kungadinwa icala eliyi-one ugoduke wena ukhala every day yabo, because ezanto zezisenzela ne-depression. Uyalwa emsebenzini phinde ubuye uyolwa endlini because of umuntu ebeze nge-same reason nawe uze ngayo emsebenzini uzosebenza naye bethe uzosebenza, but ufumanisa uba yena akana umthwalo ungako awutsalayo kuwe wedwa kuyivayo idyoko emaxeni.
Sure. So if ever maybe there's a failure, maybe a field in Central, how much blame do they take abantu abakhekhelezayo? Do they take blame if ever maybe production ihambe slowly, or because aloku bayidlalile indima be-production mabe slowly? So how much do they take blame or i-failure ye-production okanye yale nto funeke yenziwe yagqitywa mhlawumbi ingagqitywanga? Because aloku xa if ever igqityiwe i-credit niyithatha nonke.
Okay, no, bona abayithathi at all, to be honest. Abanaxesha laloo nto because bane-strategies zabo ezibenza badakhe umsebenzi, and even why they don't get caught kwezi behavior zabo. So into endenza ndithi abathathi blame is because remember when umuntu uyi-high performer okanye hard worker uya prioritize because you will always be worried ubana ngaba umzekelo if andilivanga okanye sinale project yale veki, you know, if that project fails because of umuntu oyi-one, somebody has to ayipushe le project ibe success, because if ifailile we all failed just because ayenziwanga ngulaa mntu. So you need uba uclean up i-mess zakhe, even if ugqibile wakho you have to ba wenze sure ubana ngaba it goes 100%. So you are saving a company ngale hard work yakho. Awusave only company, actually you uscrapa yonke into,
Sure.
uqoqa namabibi wakhe la yena wabalekayo yabo. So I think inansika abakhekelezi bayele nje just you secure back. That's all.
Your pay.
Yeah.
So it's your chance now as one of the hard workers in the field. Talk to abakhekelezi bakumamela.
Niyasibulala. Hayi. Niyasibulala. Yeah, because I speak from experience. People could see ndiyazama nami uba ba toxic man. I don't know. Le trait imbi bayasibulala nyanya. Yeah, understand, and they seem to enjoy it. And if Foodland inkhumbuza something ethi there's good and bad, there's light, there's darkness. So I think they belong to the other side. Yeah, understand. It's some kind of opposition, you know. So you also there to work and then to battle abantu abakhekelezayo. So andinandi ngako that I can do ukubanceda yabo. They are on the other side.
Sure.
On this side. That yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's grand.
Simnandi.